Magic AC Mount welcomes you to the installation video. It is simple, direct, and when followed will give you a lifetime of service. You can open and close your window with no compromise of safety or security. No other bracket can claim these attributes.
First, attach the Magic AC label to the bottom and back of the AC unit.
This will indicate to building inspectors or pedestrians that your AC unit is mounted safely from the inside by Magic AC Mount. Next, slide center mount bracket on the AC flange and center it on AC. This flange is part of all window AC units. Now, insert and fully tighten the longer center mount screw. This attaches to the center mount bracket to the AC. Slide both left and right telescopic arms into center bracket. Install 2 shorter center mount end screws, but do not tighten. Do not tighten because the telescopic arms will need to be adjusted. Attach right and left jam plates onto right and left telescopic arms. Jam plates are pre-taped and are right and left specific and marked as so. An extra set of tape is enclosed in the package if the AC or window is changed. Note: jam plates and telescopic ends are slightly angled and by design have the AC unit slightly angled out, so that condensation goes outside, not inside. No bubble level is required. If you choose not to tape, but to screw jam plates, self-tapping screws are included. Attach using the 2 countersunk holes in the jam plate. Either way, strength is not compromised as the AC is sitting on the windowsill and against the window. Measure width of window jamb. This is wider than the window opening. Set the width of the Magic AC mount so that it is slightly smaller than the window jamb. This is so that the tape does not get caught during installation. Lightly tighten short end screws to hold telescopic arms in place. Peel 3M tape. Use an alcohol pad to clean window jamb where jam plates rest against the jamb. The AC with the Magic AC mount is wider than the window opening, so AC cannot fall out of the window during install. Finally, place the AC with Magic AC mount into the window and firmly extend. Telescopic arms onto the window jamb so that tape adheres. Important: jam plates mount to window jambs in front of the window track, not in window track. This unique patented design takes all the weight off the window. There is no stress or damage to the window, and the window can be opened and closed as to your preference without safety or security concerns. AC removal is easy. Simply remove 4 screws that hold telescopic arms to the jam plates.
To reinstall, simply reverse these steps. The AC will go back in the same position easily.
Included in the package is a child-resistant window lock. Place on the window to stop the window from opening if desired.
Don't balance your AC, mount it. It's just that easy.